Namaste, Khusro Bhatia. Today's topic is charitable organization, voluntary health agencies. Voluntary health agencies definition: an organization that is administered by the autonomous board which hold meeting, collect fund for its supported chiefly from private sources, expended money whether with or without paid worker in conducting a program directed primarily to the furthering the public health by providing health service or health education or by advancing research or legislation for health or by a combination of these activities. These are non-profit, non-political, independent organizations which spend money for following intention and name accordingly. Missionary or religious organization, welfare organization, professional body, IMA, voluntary health agencies. The United States of America to 20 voluntary agencies function. Voluntary health agency, motor truck, officer agency, railway truck line. The healthcare is in India has a long traditional volunteerism. For centuries, traditional healers have taken care of the health need for own community. Then the institutionalized volunteerism evolved during the colonial era. Christian missionaries started work, better accepted, community participate better in program are flexible and not rigid, not handicapped by bureaucratism and red tapeism, work at fast pace and low operative cost, provide opportunity to individuals interested in social work. Limitation program are related to non-critical health problem. Service not always target to those who are in greatest need or area which need them most. Program often do not run according to modern principle and technique of management. Functional supplement the work of government agency. Demonstration regarding the work of government agency advancing health legislation. For communicable disease organization, Tuberculosis Association of India, Hindu Khust Nirvan Sangh. For non-communicable disease, All Indian Belief Relief Society, Indian Council for Child Welfare, Central Society Welfare Board, Kasturba Memorial Fund, All Indian Women Conference, Child Relief for Rescue and Relief, for Family Welfare Planning, for Rural Health, Voluntary Health Association of India, Indian Medical Association, Delhi Dental Association, Indian Nurse Association of India, International Voluntary Health Organization, Rotary International. Thank you. Thank you.